struggle sometimes how to fold laundry after you machine wash them or hand wash them and dry them? Welcome to this channel, all making it simple for women. Fold laundry with me with this simple steps. Let's dive right in. So I'm going to take this laundry that I just hand washed them and dry them. We're going to leave off the line here, because we are going to unfold them neatly. So first way you can fold your laundry is using a laundry table. Using a folding table is one way to fold your laundry. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that quickly and easy way. So after all your laundry is done and it's all dried out, you put them on your folding table. This is one of the ways that you can fold your laundry. And then as you have this, all you have to do is just put it on the table, straighten them up. All you have to do is fold this into a shirt, it's like that, and then I just fold another one and just do it twice like that. That's it. This way your folding is done. That one is done. If you have a bra, all you have to do like that. All you have to do is put them in between each other. You can do it this way like that. Alright, so once that is done, if you have a towel, all you have to do is get your towel here. The easiest way I do my towels is just fold them in two like this. Alright, so once this is folding two, make sure the edges are even, and then I just them like that, so the middle is all straightened up like that, and all I do is I fold it again and then fold it like that, and then I'm done. My towel is folded, my bras are folded, and then my shirts are all folded neatly, and that's it. You have everything folded neatly for you. So that's if you have a folding table. This is how you fold your laundry. Now I'm going to show you the second way to fold your laundry if you don't have a folding table. Now the second way you can fold your laundry is by using the top of your washer and dryer. I do that sometimes. It's easier that way if you don't have a folding table. Use the top of your washer or dryer to fold your laundry. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that on top of your washer. So the second way of folding your laundry, it should be on the top of your dryer or washer. I put my laundries on either the washer or the dryer, and then I did the folding on the washer. So it depends. You can do it either way. Once you get all your laundry done, if you have a shirt, make sure that you get them all out, the inside and out. Alright, and then all you have to do is just lay it down like that, and then bring the outside in just like this way, and then the other side bring it in as well. And then once you get all the middle straightened up, you do the colors. All the colors are straightened up like that. All you have to do is just bring it in like that, halfway, and then since this is a long sleeve, all you have to do is bring your long sleeve on the side right here, and then bring the second one also in just like that. And then as you can see, you just fold this up here, and then the top one, and that's it. And then you have your shirt fold. Simple as that. So once that is done, if you have a bra you want to fold, all you have to do is put this inside each other. Once you do that, put the straps in there like that, and all you do is now you have your laundry is folded, your shirt is folded, your bra is folded. If you have a towel, the same thing. All you have to do, all I do is I fold it in two, make sure both sides are equal like that. Both of these are equal, and then straighten it up. And once it's done, I fold it again like the second one. I just fold it this way, and that's it. Your towel is done, your shirt is done, your bra is done, and you are done. Finish folding. And I'm going to show you the third way to fold your laundry if you don't have a folding table, if you don't have a washer or a dryer. If you only wash your clothes by hand, I will show you how to fold it. Simple way, and you are done in a few seconds. The third way you can fold your laundry is just hand folding. If you don't have a washer or washing machine that you can fold it on, if you don't have a folding table that you can fold your laundry on, that is okay. For me, I've never had a washer or dryer or a folding table to fold laundry. You only fold laundry by hand. So once you hand dry it on a dryer line, take them off, put them in laundry basket, and just start hand folding. So that's what I'm using. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is the laundry that I just took off the drying line. I hand wash them, hand dry them, and then I just take them off. So I'm just going to hand fold them right now. So all you have to do is just take one item at a time. If it is a shirt, this shirt like this, all I do is I'm going to lift this up. So you take a shirt, and as this shirt is like this is what I do. Then you're just gonna fold this up and then bring the shirt color out once you fold it away. And then you have both plates in your hand, just like that. And then you have both sides like this. And then you just fold it like that in half. And then put the other one on top. Sleeves here, you just put your sleeves right on top. And then you can fold. Just unfolding your clothes. Simple as that. So if I have a bra finish wash, all I do is put it in each other and then within here, put the straps in there, and then okay, it's fold. Neatly fold. I just put it in my bra neatly on my trousers, shake them, and then all you do is just fold them in half, just like that, and then fold them two again, just like this, then another one, and you just hand fold the pants. Simple as that. When it's done, you just take a second. I just shake them a little. This one, and I have them two like that, and another one, and it's done. It's folded. You don't have a folding table, dryer, or a washer. Simple as that. Just put your bra in each one, that, and this is a pattern. So just like that, and then put your straps and everything in. Then done. Simple as that. You have a towel that you hand wash, same way. Fold it in half. Just fold them in half. Make sure all the angles out. Neatly fold, and then I shake them, and you fold them in half, and I fold them again, one in half again, like that, all by hand, all like that. And then once this is done, let's fold them in two again. And as you can see, towel is folded. That's simple. Same way. More towels. Just shake them, fold them in two. When you shake them like that, it straighten it out, and then you fold them again. You just put your hands in here like that, and then you shake it again, and then you just straighten it out. And all you have to do is fold it in two. You have a neat, nicely fold out. That is folded. You have that one the same way. Shake them. Fold them in two, put your hands in here, then fold them again in two. Just that same way, and shake them. Once you shake them, you straighten everything, put your hands in, put them together, and you are done. Few seconds. That's how you hand fold your laundry. If you don't have folding table, don't have washing machine, the top of your machine to fold your laundry, this is just a simple way to fold your laundry. And you can see how a clean, folded laundry, simple like that. So I hope this video helps you to be able to fold all your laundry. So simple in very simple ways. You don't need to have a folding table to fold your laundry. You don't need to have washer or a washing machine or dryer. Fold your laundry by hand. It's simple and easy. So I have a video on how to hand wash shirts, how to hand wash clothing, how to hand wash clothes, how to wash clothes by hand. Also, we teach you everything you need to know how to wash clothes by hand. I hope this video helps you in some way. Thank you for folding laundry with me. Fold your laundry by hand. Thank you for watching this channel. Like, comment, share. Please leave in the comment section below for me. Now, back to you. As always, thank you for watching my videos.